What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a hash brown omelet with some veggies and cheese and good stuff. So you saw the beginning. Now let's get going and check out these ingredients. And we're going to be talking about the winner for the griddle throughout the video. And yeah, let's get it going. So right here we got the hash browns. This is the refrigerated kind that you buy in a package. I just took them out, I cleaned them, washed them, all that good stuff. We got some yellow bell pepper and sweet onion. We got some gravy from some leftovers, biscuits and gravy, cheese. We got some eggs right here. We got seasonings. We got hot sauce, chipotle chili pepper, and some everything bagel. And yeah, we got the griddle warming up. Let's go. All right, so we are up to temperature. We're at 350, 370, no, 400 in the middle there. All right, we're good to go. We're gonna start on these hash browns, and let me see, I'm gonna put a little bit of the oil down here. Gonna throw some butter down. Oh, lost a chunk. There we go. Let's get that butter nice and good. Gotta put some butter down for them crispy hash browns. Gotta do it. All right, there we go. Get that out of here. Just kind of spreading them out a little bit by hand. Try and soak up that butter. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them up, and you know what, here, let's put a little oil over here, get these veggies going. Alright, it's not much, it's not going to take long to cook these. Alright, let's just turn up these hash browns. So what I did here, I got the veggies, or I'm sorry, the hash browns. We got them on here. Now you see that nice little brown, that's from that butter. I mean, that's just getting all them good flavors started. Ooh, I am digging it. So I just kind of put them in somewhat of a square, and there's patches where it goes down to the griddle, and I kind of want that because when I put the eggs over it, I want them eggs to cook up and not run all over the place. So I got it nice and hot. We're gonna let these things cook up for a few minutes, see how it's looking. And these veggies are going just fine. These aren't gonna take long at all. So yeah, let's just let these hash browns cook up. All right, the veggies, I mean, they're pretty much done. So I'm just going to leave them there, let them just keep doing their thing. I got this burner off. This one's all the way low. These two are on a medium. So let's see how we're looking here. I mean, I think that's good enough. Let's go ahead and get some eggs going. So I mean, simple as that. I probably could use one more egg, but we're okay. We're okay. Gonna put a little bit of this chipotle chili pepper on there. This breakfast blend, everything bagel. Ooh, buddy. And there's salt in that, so that's why I didn't add any salt anywhere else. So yeah, let's throw a little bit of cheese on here. This is that Mexican style. Alright, let's get these veggies on here. Just gonna put them all about. Alright. Now, I'm just gonna let this thing warm up a little bit more. These eggs are almost done. So I just want it to warm up so everything sticks together, and then just flip it on over. So there you have it. I mean, it didn't fold that great, but I mean, this thing's gonna eat like a champ, I'll tell you that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it heat up a little bit more on the bottom there, and then I'm gonna flip the whole thing over, and then it's max time. All right, so the giveaway. Now we ran the giveaway. I did the video, posted that on Wednesday evening, and I ran it through this morning. Right before I started recording this video, I recorded the clip of me picking the winner. So here's that. So here it is, guys. We got all the names here. There's about 65 of you, something like that were entered. So just push the button. Stephen Camp is our winner. And yeah, congratulations to Stephen Camp. Yeah, it was a nice little thing. I think I said there was like around 65, but then when I went back and rewatched the thing, there was 51 people in the contest. So yeah, I appreciate everybody that entered, everybody that watched, and man, bugs. And yeah, so congrats to Stephen Camp. I'll be contacting you. I'm posting this Saturday afternoon. I'm recording this Saturday morning right now. So yeah, congrats. And let's eat some more food. So here we go. I mean, this looks so good. So good. Just gonna, right over here, let's get some of that gravy for sure. Ooh. Oh yeah, we got some veggies in there. Ooh. That's hot. Oh man, is it good though. Oh. Oh, look at these eggs and the hash browns. Right there, get a little gravy on that. Man, them veggies are nice. They got a nice little bite to them. That seasoning. Not really spicy, but you can get some spice from the gravy, which I did a video on that. I'll post a link to that below. You can check that out. Man, nice spicy gravy. That is amazing. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna get in, eat my breakfast. I'm gonna edit the video and get it out there, and contact Stephen Camp. Congrats on your griddle. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Appreciate it.